Welcome to the first ever annual Airsoft zombie hunt. I was going to do a crocodile hunter voice, but now my objective right now is to kill all these zombies. I can only do that by headshots. I have 11 rounds, and there's about 9 of them. I have to do this. Wish me luck! That's not fair, you sons of bitches. I should probably have that riot shield on me. Fuck that. This is what a zombie looks like.
You got the 60 on.
One dead zombie. Watch your head. 2 dead zombies.
What the fuck?
On? Yeah, I know. Fuck, I feel like a retard. Stay in your fucking hands, bitch. Maybe this isn't safe.
That was fucking hilarious.
Fuck this. I'm out of here. Zombies don't take cover! Fuck! Don't you guys know the rules of zombies? Oh, fuck that.
Holy shit.
What up, yo? What, they're resurrecting? That's not right! Oh, it wasn't a headshot, was it? Oh, fuck. I'm too old for this shit!